Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to add a new receiving account on Payoneer. So you've logged into your account and you want to add a new receiving account. What you have to do is to click on it, get paid, and then you would see receiving account here. Once you click on the get paid, click on receiving accounts, the last option here, and a new page should pop up where you can add accounts. So you can request your account here, and you'll be given, as you can see, I will have a Great Britain pound account and a USD account here. So you can request accounts. You can click on request account here, and you would be given a prompt like this. You can click on next. You can choose the account you would love to have. Let's say I want a Canadian account. I can choose this. I think we can choose, okay, we can actually choose three of them and click on next, and then you can click on submit requests, and I'll submit my request now. So once you submit your request, after some time Payoneer will get back to you and tell you, will give you a message that, okay, good, we are verifying your details, and it usually takes up to 3 business days, and sometimes it can be shorter. So once you are done, you would see the accounts. The accounts will be added to the ones you already have. Oh, they've added this they are very fast. So they've added one already. They've added the euro account here, and with time I'm sure they'll add the remaining two. So this is how to request to get a receiving account on Payoneer. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and please make sure to follow and subscribe for more. Thank you.